Yo guys, how you doing? I just woke up and I realized there is no video on YouTube that can show you how you can connect Cheddar to your Fanvue account. Which is very simple step and people like just make it too complicated. And also Fanvue didn't make it so easy to do, to be honest. But you're gonna go first, you're gonna see Management tab in your mobile account. Very simple, just click on it, okay? That is gonna show you this message, connect a manager. So you need to open a new Fanvue account as a user, okay? And this is gonna be the agency email that you're gonna use to manage your model or another models if you have more. So you're gonna put this email first, of course, create Fanvue account and then put the email. And what's gonna happen next? You're gonna get email look like that. So your Fanvue manager accept the invitation. If you say that invitation is the word, right? And then you're just gonna log into the Fanvue account. You can log out from your model just to accept the invitation. So you accept it here. And then you're gonna see in the management, you're just gonna log in, you're gonna see this page. So you're gonna see the creator that you just accepted, and when you see the status is connected, so you know you are good to go. Okay. And then you're gonna switch to the team members. Then there is bottom here called invite. Here you can just invite the chatter. So you're gonna tell your chatter, please create a Fanvue email. You're also gonna sign up to Fanvue as a guest, okay, with his email. And after that, you're gonna give him access to be a chatter. And that's it. And you can assign him to one model. You can assign her or him to more models. And that's it. So you're gonna manage all the chatters through the agency account, not through your model account. Very, very simple. Okay. And if you want to revoke his access, you just go back and you can delete his email, and that's it. Yeah, also if you're gonna use a chatting agency, so you can do the same. You can give them access as agency, or just keep the chatter like the email, and that's it. I hope I helped you guys, and see you on the next video. Peace.